I am going to Singapore for a week for work, and then I'm extending my trip to go to the Philippines, and my husband's gonna meet me there, and that's gonna be for vacation, and I'm so excited because I still have so much family in the Philippines, and I haven't been since I was like 8, and Matt has never been to the Philippines either, and so we're gonna go to Manila, and then we're gonna go to El Nido and have some beach time, so I'm so excited. Okay, so first I have my bottoms. How cute is this dress? So excited to wear it. I kept seeing this dress on Instagram and I had to get it. It's super cute. I went to the Reformation sample sale and got a couple little silk dresses, which I think will be perfect for the hot weather and just like throwing it on with some sandals or dressing it up with some heels. Sweaters and tops. I'm really excited about this. This is from Backbeat Rags. And it is a sports bra top that you can wear 2 ways. American Eagle has their brand Aerie, and they make such cute swimsuits. This one I feel like it's got like a little retro 70s vibe.
Leave it out. Start to roll there.
I
Okay, she's doing it.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh wait, oh you taught me to do this.
Yes.
Bando just launched a loungewear line, and how cute are these PJs with these little
They say your
matching
name.
shorts? They say my name so I don't get lost. Just kidding.
In your dreams.
It's just this cute little corset that you... What? It's like safari, but make it fashion. That's good. That's nice. Thanks, Ollie. Usually when I am packing my skincare and my makeup, what I will do is walk through the routine in my head so that I know I'm not forgetting anything. So the first thing I grab is my cleanser. This is actually a new one from Peach and Lily. It's a hydrating calming cleanser, which I think will be good because traveling always kind of like, you know, disrupts your skin. An essence, which is the second step. It actually helps hydrate your skin and also helps the other products that you put after it penetrate your skin better and work more efficiently. This Peach and Lily glass serum with the brightening serum I use together. Kiehl's cannabis sativa seed oil, which is great for like if you're having a breakout, or if your skin is like irritated or red, just to like kind of pat it in there. Then I have my moisturizer, and I like to pack, so usually I'll use a different moisturizer for day and night if I'm like at home regularly, but when I'm traveling I like to pack a moisturizer that I can use both day and evening. Airport bag. Carry-on, that's what you call it. SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. This one is my new favorite body lotion. It's from a brand called Necessaire. It's like skincare for your body. Primer CC cream. Sometimes I just will wear this without any makeup. It's kind of like a little bit of a skin perfector. So you go like that, and then you rub it in, and it kind of matches your skin tone and blurs, has this like blurring effect. And it has SPF in it. Marc Jacobs Coconut Bronzer is like one of my faves. Tantastic. This is Bellini Brunch. I like a little coral peach on my cheeks. Yeah, coconut setting powder. How tropical. I can't go anywhere without my Becca Chrissy Teigen. Okay, so that'll be good for skincare. All of the like, you know, tummy medicines in case you eat something that doesn't agree with you. Probiotics. This is from a really great brand called Seed. It's a prebiotic and a probiotic. Not Pot is a CBD gummy brand. And this is just great, like, if, you know, I'm obviously gonna have jet lag and it's gonna be hard for me to fall asleep, so I'm gonna bring a few of these to help me. And then also like one on the plane in case I get anxious from flying. I know that I'm just gonna get eaten alive by mosquitoes, as I always do, and I am a little bit allergic, so I swell up. I heard from someone, they told me that people who are like in the Navy SEAL use this brand from Avon called Skin So Soft, and it's supposed to be the best, So I have the sunscreen. These are insect repellent towelettes that you just like rub all over your body. There's also an anti-itch spray. So freaking cute.
Guys, I love this juice. It's gonna change my life.
Like one of my favorite things to do when I travel is to run in the city because I feel like it's the best way to see a new city is by foot. These are my new favorite sneakers from Nike. All right. I'm so stressed though.
We're going.
She's ready. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming over and helping me pack. I am so excited for my trip, but I still have a few more things to do. So, Ollie, after you.